Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the techniques I use to create this realistic drawing of a dollar bill. This is going to be a time-lapse version showing the complete drawing process. This drawing took about 12 hours or so to complete, so I've condensed it down into about 4 minutes. I'm not really going to narrate this video. I posted it just so you can enjoy watching the process. I am planning on breaking this up into smaller pieces in the future and uploading tutorials on each piece of the drawing. Please let me know in the comments if you like these time-lapse versions with music in the background, or if you prefer the real-time narrated versions. Or let me know if you like both. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.